What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I did a little bit of work on this Honda HRV. This is a 2018 1920 model throttle body, electrical throttle body. Very critical that you do perform a throttle body cleaning. As you can see, my service right there, cleaner. This is all the gunk that came out of it. So this car stalled at red light. If you come to red light stop sign and your vehicle stalls, it's going to be most likely you're going to have a dirty throttle body. So I'm going to just guide you a little bit. I should have recorded this from the beginning. So you're going to pop these clips. 1, 2, 3. I took off these 10 millimeters. You don't have to take them off. You're going to have to disconnect this MAF sensor. Remove this from the retainer. You squeeze in from the back end and this comes out. Phillips head screwdriver on this to loosen this. And then you got one all the way down there. All the way in the bottom. Right there, you loosen that up. You squeeze this pipes come off. You remove this connector from right here, not the connector, just the harness, and this whole thing comes off. Once you have this pipe out of the way, you got to pull this off, and after that you want to clean the internal of your throttle body, which is all that on there. Okay, that throttle body, very important. The engine will choke at red light, so you better take the time to clean that throttle body. All you do is have somebody push the gas pedal and clean it, or you could just take a rag and just clean around it, because the flap comes in close in contact where it's not gonna let the engine breathe, and it's gonna choke the engine. So I would recommend you guys do this service every 30,000 miles. All this stuff came out of there, all this nasty stuff. So, and that's that. Enough said there. So I'm gonna just put it right so you guys can see everything together. Throttle body, very important. You clean that throttle body. You could put the key on, but you're gonna check engine light for, it's gonna pop for this. You could connect this sensor and leave this the housing that I got over here. Connect this sensor to it and let it just sit to the side, so that way it doesn't pick up on a sensor that's disconnected. Turn the key, have somebody press the gas pedal with the engine off, not cranked up. Just on accessory, okay? Don't press the brake. Have the car in accessory mode, and then press the gas pedal, and the throttle body should open up for you. Clean just the edges. That's all you need. You know, it don't got to be something that you're gonna eat off it. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video. And if you guys got any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message.